Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add products in WooCommerce. So simply in order to do this, first of all log into your website, and after that on the left side you can see plugins. So simply just click here, and now here you have to search for subscription. Simply just type here, and now here you can see WooCommerce all products for subscription. Just simply active this plugin, just click on activate, and after that on the left side you can see our plugin is activated. So simply now I want to add some products here. Simply go to products, and now here simply click on add a new, and after that here you can see the product details here. So simply just add the product details, like I want to add the LEDs. So simply just I will type the product name here, and after that add a media. So simply just select the files from your computer. Image, just I have selected this one and click on open. Now wait for a few seconds, our image is being uploaded. So here we have select our product image, and after that you can here add all the text details here, captions here, and descriptions here. So here you can see the URL of this product is available. So here you can set the attachment display setting, like on the left corner center. So here you can also link to, so here you can adjust the size. After that click on insert into products. So here you can see we have added our product. So now after that here you have to set the price, like regular price is $700, and now here you can also put your sale price, like I want to add sale price here, and after that just click on publish. So in this way you can easily add product in WooCommerce.